Hi, welcome to Crystal French Geckos. I'm Crystal and these are my geckos. In today's video I wanted to show you one of my African Fattail geckos eating some silkworms. I feed silkworms as a treat because they are a seasonal food. Usually I will feed my Fattails about 2 or 3 at a time, but this video was actually filmed on this particular Fattail's birthday, so I gave him a little bit more silkworms than I normally would as a birthday treat and so that you guys would be able to see him eating and enjoying more silkworms. Otherwise it would be a much shorter video, but let's get into the video now. I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you would like to see more content like this, please subscribe down below and turn on post notifications. These geckos also have an Instagram at Crystal French Geckos and a Twitter at Crystal's Geckos if you would like to follow them on there. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!